knows how to tie such good knots.
Right?
Because you don't catch, you don't hook onto one.
Oh, I don't?
Look, there's a bass looking at my top water.
Look, there's another peacock. Come, throw. There's 2 peacocks. 3, 4 peacocks. Throw right there.
Daniel, let him fight. You're going to lose him 100% sure. 100% sure you're going to lose him. Oh my God.
I done put 20 up under the sea. You need. Hey. I done put 20 inside the sea.
DDB baby knows about Florida, Miami, Florida, nigga.
This is the small popper. How do you like it?
It's awesome. Like you still have some slack in your line and let it move from side to side. Good to pause every once in a while. And then keep moving.
Got a fish on.
Right there. Exactly.
Told you. On the pause. Told you. Pop.
Let me get the pliers.
I got him.
It's always good to stop. Key to keep that slack in the line. Let the popper actually move side to side. It has an amazing action.
We'll get it you.
It's like I was saying earlier. It's just a matter of time before you actually get a hit.
And great hooks on these things. No need to change them out once you buy them.
These pearls are a little rusty.
Yeah.
Both hooks.
Right in the mouth. Let me get
this
that.
one was not coming out.
On the Fire Tiger popper. Awesome lure. Small little bass, but it's a start.
On the top water, I'll take any fish. I don't care if it's big or small.
Take a picture with the popper. Yeah. Just pose there. I'll take a picture. No. Right there.
On the little popper, baby.
Nice little bass.
Make sure you get a good angle.
I told you. Anytime. Now you're gonna get hit.
Awesome, baby. High roller lures.
Let's get it.
Check the description for 15% off. This is a very versatile bait. You can use it subtly, let it pause, or actually hit it harder, jerk it harder. For that more aggressive type of fish. When using topwater lures, especially these, it's a lot better to use a loop knot to let it actually walk side to side. And braid floats. So it gets that, better action. You gotta get the most out of your lures.
Got one. Got one right there. I think we were too far to see him. He didn't want to move the camera, but
A little dink.
got him on the popper.
I'm telling you, this lure is amazing. This is the first time I tried it out.
Then 30 minutes.
I heard it was good for bass, so
Came out.
Release.
Little guy came out to play. Nice. Yeet. Just got a hit right here. Let's see if we could get him to go back. Pause it.
When you wanted to stay once you get that first one, you'll be hooked on Topwater.
And on high roller lures. Little bass on the high roller lures.
Right on the corner of the mouth. He hit it and then missed it and then came back for it.
Just release it. Good job. Oops. I'm gonna run over there. Oh my God.
Look, there's another peacock. Come, throw. There's 2 peacocks. 3, 4 peacocks. Throw right here. Throw right here. Throw right here. 3 peacocks. Right there, Dano. Right there. Stop. Run, there's 4 peacocks.
Hold up, bro.
Where'd it go? Oh, right there. It's right there. Cast again. It's right there. I see it perfect from here, Dano. Just cast. There was 4. Whoa. Wait. Look at the size of the chicken. Wait, there's 5 peacocks here.
Bring it, bro. Bring it and stop talking.
Look at it. Just look at it from here. Okay. I saw it. It's big. There was 4 right there. And they all...
You should have left your peacock in the water, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. Dano, look.
Wait, there's still some here.
Just caught this nice bass.
Gigantic bass around here.
Huh?
Saw one.
There is?
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice one on the high rollers, the popper. Take your hand out. Nice one.
Release it.
The lure slipped to my back. Sure.
There's some more right here. Yes. Let me cast with my rod. Whoa, then go, catch it. Catch it, go. Go, Dano, catch it.
David, I'm not going to be able to catch it.
Of course not. Better? Oh, it's right under, Just don't. No. Let him fight, Daniel, let him fight. You're gonna lose him 100% sure. 100% sure you're gonna lose him. Oh my God.
Oh. I'm about to get line cut.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get hella line cut. Oh, nice, just got him.
This big ass gar on the high roller. It spit it right now.
It's spit it right now.
Spit it right now. Look
High
at this
rollers.
gar, guys.
Just got a nice gar.
Look
All
at
on
this gar,
footage.
guys.
All on footage.
Holy damn.
With this high rollers, as soon as it saw it, it inhaled it. Well, it tried to. Still can't inhale it, but it's a wild thing. It's a wild thing.
Guys, on the high roller, rip roller.
Rip
This
roller.
thing followed it all the way in and hit it right at the shore.
Look at it,
Well, we
guys.
started playing with it, so after that we started. Was gonna hit it.
Let me take a picture. Just put it next to it.
I'm pretty sure it was just grabbing onto the hook, and now it just spit it at the end.
Hold them hard. Hold them hard, Daniel.
Bro, he's super slippery.
Oh God. Watch out you don't hit me in the back of the head. Okay, bud? Where'd the fucking where'd the thing go?
It floated away somehow.
Johnny knows how to tie such good knots.
Right?
No man, I don't use fish.
Cause you don't catch, you don't hook onto one.
Oh, I don't?
Look, there's a bass looking at my top water.
Wow, that was so good.
Amazing.
That was amazing. It's a good one. That's a nice one.
Amazing.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I'm gonna get the fish bigger than you.
That was so cool, bro. That's a pretty nice one.
Watch out.
Oh, he spit it. Oh.
Are you down? 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 Are you